बाबर लाया पतंग, हुमायूं ने डाले तंग, अकबर ने की लंबी, जहांगीर ने छकी तान, शाहजहां ने लड़ाई, औरंगजेब ने कटाई, ये सब थे बड़े बहादुर। Hello everyone, welcome to Salem India classes, and today we are going to discuss about mnemonics. So what is mnemonics? Mnemonic is a tool that helps us to remember a large amount of information or concepts through some song, phrase, acronym, sentence और some pictorial representation. Okay, हमारा जो ये दिमाग है, इस दिमाग को कुछ जब अनयूजुअल वियर्ड चीज दिखती है तो वो इसको बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक याद रखता है। तो जब हम इसको बोरिंग और डल इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे तो ये उसको जल्दी से एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा और याद नहीं रखेगा। तो जो हमारी स्टडीज हैं उनको हम न्यूमोनिक्स से इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं, और इंटरेस्टिंग जब होगी तो दिमाग को भी याद रहेंगी। Okay, so video I'm going to discuss with you some of the popular mnemonics. So let's get started. Let's start with the spelling mnemonic. Okay, spelling mnemonic क्या होता है जिससे आप स्पेलिंग याद कर सकते हो एक फनी वे में। Okay, तो जब मैं कॉलेज गई थी तो मेरे सीनियर ने मुझसे लेफ्टिनेंट की स्पेलिंग पूछी थी। कई लोगों को लग रहा होगा ये मैंने क्या लिख दिया, बट दिस इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ लेफ्टिनेंट। ओके, सो इस लेफ्टिनेंट की स्पेलिंग को आप कैसे याद रख सकते हो? दैट इज इस तरह से, झूठ तुम 10 चींटी। क्या होगी लेफ्टिनेंट की स्पेलिंग? झूठ तुम 10 चींटी। झूठ तुम 10 चींटी। इसी तरह से और स्पेलिंग निमोनिक्स हैं, जैसे बिकॉज। बिकॉज का हो सकता है बिग एलिफेंट्स कैन ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड द स्मॉल एलिफेंट्स। अरिथमेटिक का हो सकता है अ रैट इन द हाउस में ईट द आइसक्रीम। और ज्योग्राफी का हो सकता है जॉर्ज एल्डरली ओल्ड ग्रैंडफादर रोड अ बिग होम yesterday. Okay, so these are some funny spelling mnemonics that can help you to remember the spellings of very tough words. Okay, so next moving to pictorial representation. Pictorial representation, for example, we have to remember the voltage and current relationship. Okay, so voltage and current relationship is V this pictorial representation can help you remember the voltage current relationship. How it can help you? Suppose you want to calculate voltage, write here voltage. What is left? IR. So V equals to IR. And suppose you want to calculate current, write I here. What is left? V by R. So I equals to V by R. And if you want to calculate R, what is left? V by I. So from this pictorial representation, you can remember the relationship between voltage and current. V by IR. Okay, mnemonic is value of pi. How can you remember the value of pi? Pi is equals to 3 point may I have a large container of coffee. Okay, this is the value of pi. How you can remember this? You can remember the value of pi using this sentence. May I have a large container of coffee and a question mark. Okay, now see, May has 3 words, I has 1, have 4, A again 1, A again 1, large 5, container 9, of 2, and coffee with a question mark 7. So 3.1415927. This is how you can remember the value of pi. Okay. If you want to remember the value of pi up to 15 digits, what you can do is, if you want to remember the value of pi up to 15 digits, what is the sentence? The sentence is, now I want a drink, okay, container of course, correct, of course, after the heavy lectures involving quantum mechanics. Okay, now I want a drink container, of course, after the heavy lectures involving quantum mechanics. This sentence can be used to write this value of pi. How? You have to count the number of letters in each word, and you can remember this value of pi. Okay. Now, strong men's triceps explode. This sentence can be used to remember the layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Again, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Layers of atmosphere. And the sentence is, the strong man's triceps explode. Layers of atmosphere. Okay. How many types of energies are there? You can remember by just remembering this word. Mates. Mechanical energy. Okay, mechanical, electrical, okay, light, T, thermal, and S. So how many types of energies are there? Mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, and sound. Okay. Acronym mnemonics also that can be used to remember, for example, the colors of rainbow. The acronym is WIP GEAR. WIP GEAR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. And the poem that I recited in the starting of video. बाबर लाया पतंग, हुमायूं ने डाले तंग, अकबर ने की लंबी, जहांगीर ने छकी तान, शाहजहां ने लड़ाई, औरंगजेब ने कटाई, बहादुर ये सब थे बड़े बहादुर. ये मुगल एम्परर्स को याद करने के लिए राइम है, जो जिनका सीक्वेंस इस तरह से है: बाबर, हुमायूं, अकबर, जहांगीर, शाहजहां, औरंगजेब और बहादुर शाह जफर. Okay, the sequence of planets using the sentence my very educated mother us noodles. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so these are some example of mnemonics that can be used to remember large amount of information in a funny way. Okay, hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel and